Portland didn't hold long enough. It has to be a certain amount of time to count. But at one point, if you walked outside in Portland today, it was 93 degrees. Just not long enough.
Yikes.
Down to 86, down to 86 now. Sebago 89, still cleaning up from the storms yesterday, 90. In Freiburg to the north, similar. And you know, even down East Maine, pretty warm. I mean, you look at Eastport or Southwest Harbor, that's a good example, or Eastport. These are pretty cool places. It's hard to get warm, and still in the 80s at this time of the day is saying something. It's not the typical setup. Dew point's still sticky too, uncomfortable to sticky, and oftentimes with the front that comes through with severe weather like we had yesterday, we just wash all that humidity out. It's much cooler the next day, and this is just not the case here. It's still hot and still pretty sticky, and if anything, we're going to build on those dew points over the weekend, and we probably reach max uncomfortable dew point range on Monday, but you'll really feel it on Sunday because it'll be so hot. Satellite looks pretty good. Couple of fair weather clouds out there. A few little sprinkles, one right down here. I guess there are two now. It kind of split into two. Moving towards Wells. Unfortunate placement here because moving over a couple of beaches here shortly where people will pack up, get to the car, and then the shower will be over. So it's really not necessary. It's going to be moving so quickly. We had another one up here right towards Gardner. Again, very light, very quick moving pop-up shower. And that's kind of going to be the situation tomorrow too, where the vast majority of the state will be dry all day. But when it gets this hot and it's a little sticky, there's always a chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. So tonight, quiet, mostly clear temperatures. 70s, low 60s, upper 60s by early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a kind of a classic summer day. Good deal of sunshine, upper 80s, low 90s. I don't think there's a whole lot of sea breeze going on here. So we're pretty warm, pretty hot all the way to the coastline. There's that pop-up shower thunderstorm in the afternoon, potentially for the mountains. Again, I don't think many people will see these. I think most of us stay dry. And then Sunday is a really hot day. And I'm taking the over on all of this model data here, which only has us in the 80s in some spots. It does have those low to mid 90s inland, but even that I think is too low. The front that we were watching for Sunday has really slowed down. So it looks like Sunday night at the earliest, and it could even be Monday before this front moves in with showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and starts to bring the transition down to lower dew points and cooler temperatures. So classic summer, warm sector all the way. Not until Sunday night or Monday does that front come through and start to change that pattern. But even that I don't think is going to be super drastic. We're not going to be cool and crisp on the other side. It's just not going to be as hot and humid as it will be on the front end through the weekend. So high temperatures on Sunday. I took a lot of the model data and I upped it because I think it's going to be really hot. 97 in Sanford, 100 in Concord. They get that sometimes. 94 in Augusta, 92 in Bangor, and 93 in Portland. I think we should be able to get that. Even into the mid-coast, mid-80s, maybe upper 80s if we hold just long enough. Quick update on the drought. We get another drought monitor yesterday. Not a whole lot of change. Moderate drought for a good part of the state. This does not factor in the thunderstorms yesterday, but they weren't really big rain producers. So, and thunderstorms aren't how you end a drought anyways. You need, well, in Arizona they are, but here they're not. You need an actual rainstorm. So just a real nice weekend if you like heat. Absolute blowtorch is how we put Sunday. Showers likely on Monday, and then it's nice. If you don't like the heat, look forward to Tuesday, Wednesday. Those are really pleasant days. And then we're going to watch Thursday night into Friday. I'm not sure of the timing of that front at this point, but it's a week away, so whatever.